evening, dear students. Today we are with another lesson of English grammar, that is articles. So let's begin. What is an article? The words a and the are the articles. So the word a and or the are known as the article. They define whether something is specific or unspecific. What is the role of articles? They define whether something is specific or unspecific. They are always placed before a noun. So in the examples which we will see, you will see article a and the are always placed before a noun. Articles are basically of two types: indefinite article and definite article. So the indefinite articles are a and the definite article is the. So now let us see about the indefinite article. Article a and an is placed before. So a and an, as we know, it is an indefinite article. So let us see where we will place a and an. Article a and an is placed before common noun. We know, we have already seen that what is a common noun? A general name given to a person, place or a thing. So article a or an is always placed before a common noun. It is placed before a singular noun. Any noun which is single or one. And again it is placed before a countable noun. Noun which is able to be counted. We can count anything, so that is your countable noun. So let us see, article a or an is placed before a common noun, a singular noun and a countable noun. And it is also used for the noun used for the first time. So let us clarify this for the noun for use for the first time with the help of an example. My father gave me a pen. So here pen is your noun and we are placing article and before pen because we are using the pen. Using means we are knowing this noun for the first time. Never before the mention of this plain pen has been done. So we are using this noun pen for the very first time. We will see some more examples relating to this use of noun. So now let us see the use of article a. A is used before a noun begins with a consonant. We know, people, in English we are having 26 alphabets. 5 are vowel and 21 are consonants. So let us see the word which begins or a noun which begins with a consonant. We place article a before that. Book. We know book is a noun and it begins with B, which is a consonant again. So we place the article a. Pen. It begins with a consonant A, P, and so we write article A. Ship. It begins with a consonant S and so we write the article A. So a article is used before a noun which begins with a consonant. Some more uses of the article a is words though begin with a vowel are pronounced with consonant sound. Many of the examples you will see that the word though it begins with a vowel, but the sound or the pronunciation which the first letter of that word is making is a consonant. Let's take an example. University. We all know university. University begins with U, which is a vowel. But the pronunciation of the first word U is U, which is again a Y, which is a consonant. Another example is one. We know it begins with a vowel O, but the first letter O is pronounced as W, one. So here we will place A. Even before university, we will place A. Again, some more examples are European. European, though it begins with E, but here also the sound it is producing is U. So before European even we place the article A. An. Now let us move to the article an. An is used before the words begins with a vowel. We all know, students, in English we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Now let's see this with the help of example. Apple. Apple begins with A, which is a vowel. So we will place the article an. Elephant begins with E, which is a vowel. So we will begins with article an. Orange. It even begins with a vowel O. So we will place an before orange. So an is used before a word which begins with a vowel. Some words begin with a consonant, but the consonant sound is silent. So let us see the other use of article an. Let us see the example. Honest man. The word honest, it begins with H. But do we pronounce honest? No. The pronunciation is honest. So H is silent here. So though it begins with a consonant, but we are not having a consonant sound. We are having a vowel sound. Honest. So we will place the article an before that. Next example is R. R, again it begins with H, which is a consonant. But H sound is silent here. The correct pronunciation is R. And it is producing a vowel sound. So we will place an before that. The next example is honorable man. Honorable, again it begins with H, but H is silent there, and we pronounce, the correct pronunciation is honorable, which is producing a vowel sound O. So before honorable, even we will place the article an. So let us, with the abbreviations having vowel sounds, the next use of an article is with the abbreviations having vowel sound. You know, abbreviations are the short forms of a big letter, like MA, it is for Master of Arts, then MLA, Members of Legislative Assembly. So these are the abbreviated form. So let us see an example. MLA. MLA, it is the abbreviations of Master Members of Legislative Assembly. M. Though it is a consonant, but the sound which we are getting is M. M. So it is a vowel. So we will place the article an before this. Next example is LPG. Again it begins with a consonant L, but the sound which L is making is L. E-L. So again we will place article an before this. So let us recall what we have learnt about the indefinite article a or an. We come to the conclusion that we place the article a before a noun that begins with a consonant sound. Not only consonant, but the sound which it should make, or the first letter should give a consonant sound also. Here we can clarify this doubt with the help of example university. University, though it does not begins with a consonant word, still the pronunciation it is making is U. It is Y sound, so it is a consonant. Though it begins with a vowel, but it makes a consonant sound, so we place the article A. So we place article A before a noun that begins with a consonant sound. Similarly, for an article an, we place before a noun that begins with a vowel sound. For example, here we can see honest. Honest, though it begins with a consonant, but the sound it is making is a honest, which is again a vowel sound. So we have to understand that not only it should begins with a vowel or a consonant, the sound it should make, the first letter of the word, depending upon the sound it is making. If it is making a vowel sound, we will place the article an, and if it is making the consonant sound, we will put the article a.